Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. If this is your first time here, my name is Anthony Bricky. This is my YouTube channel, Trout Time. I'm not a professional angler. Let me repeat that. I'm not a professional. I'm not even a river guide. Just take the camera along with me, show you guys what happens, and hopefully you enjoy it. This past weekend, wasn't it?
Yes.
This past weekend, Tim and I got down to the river for a little while. River time has not been all that easy to achieve lately, and when we have been able to go, it's only been pretty much like one and done. One catch, one hit, and that's it for the entire trip. So this past weekend, Tim and I decided to go a little old school with some fishing techniques that we had when we were a kid.
We took the tackle box. Now we've got backpacks packs with their lures. We took a tackle box. We had night crawlers. We had some power bait, talked about corn. We had all of our rooster tails. Even may pull out a little Clio. I haven't used since high school. So
we tried any technique we could to have a decent day on the river. So now you're gonna see how that turned out. All right, we're set up. And now I am going to throw some rooster tails while we are waiting for something to happen. Throwing this old beat up old black rooster tail, and I'm not actually going to get down in the water right now. I'm just going to cast and retrieve ahead of a big cold front. I mean, we've got big storms possible coming in here tonight, so don't know if anything's going to happen, but Tim and I are going to give it the old college try. Oh, Tim, your bell just rang as soon as I ran by it. What's on this? Your bell dinged just as soon as I went by it. Of course, it could have just popped loose from the rock or something. I'll take a look at Tim's lure here that he's using. Got a nice, there's a rainbow too. Good.
he's
Good.
A little one, but he's still buddy.
Those spots on him. That one right there is going to grow up to be a nice big rainbow trout. Okay, this is what he's using, and it is solid gold. I don't think and it wrapped around my thumb. I don't think I have ever seen one like this. Gold blade, everything about it's gold. So that's interesting, and that kind of gives me an idea of what I'm going to switch to.
I'd heard on a cloudy day, gold or copper.
Okay.
That's probably why I got this one. But it's I like it.
I've got a few rooster tails with some gold blades. Maybe I go that way.
I think I've got another one, not quite this.
Oh, Tim, you're getting hit, buddy. Yeah, you're definitely, something's hitting it. There was no doubt. I kind of thought it was bouncing, but there's no doubt about that. That's a, yeah, he's got one on there. And this was on the night crawler.
I thought I had a hit earlier.
A little bit better trout in that last one. I see the worm. Yeah, definitely a nicer trout in that last one.
They're trying to get big.
Okay, let me make one thing clear. Tim's hand is still wet from the one he just handled because it was like back to back. So I don't need any nasty comments about handling a fish with dry hands. Nice mouth hook set. Definitely better trout than the last one. Tim just went back to back on me. Good job, buddy. Now I've got to go make some changes down here. All I'm doing is losing gear. All right, Tim is really showing me up today. Now he switched to a white rooster tail and got him a nice brown.
Not the monsters we were looking for, but you know.
You know what? Hey, catching's catching. See you, my friend. Now that was on the white. You caught one on a gold, a worm, and 3 different baits. I can't get one on one bait. All right, now I've got a white rooster tail on. I wish they were generating. I really do. I enjoy throwing the jerk baits much more than this. I think you have a better consistency at catching bigger trout, but Robbie has proved me wrong by catching that big brown on that rooster tail. But the wind is something awful. I'm trying to keep my cast low. Oh, missed him. That was not a bump. That was a definitely fish hit that. Daggone it. There we go. Haha. Finally. Got the skunk off the board if I can land him. Little bitty thing, but I will take it. Huh? White rooster tail. Yeah. I've been following Tim's lead all day and finally paid off. Easy, buddy. I'll get that out of you if you'll just quit wiggling. Yeah, he choked it too. I think. Now I'm gonna let you go in a minute. Just quit wiggling. And that cute little, yeah, I'm gonna let him go. He's ready to go. My skunk is off the board. Okay, we've moved downstream and it may turn out to be a bad idea. There's a lot of rock, a lot of snags, and I can't, with these muck boots on, I can't get far. I'm gonna go as far as I can. I'll get a little further than I thought, I think. Ooh, golly, that's close. Can't go and take another step. So this is about it. I couldn't get out there as far as I thought I could. Tim's got him one down yonder. That's bait. That is bait. Hey, what was that, number 4? Yeah, I don't want to hear nothing. No complaints. Hang on, there he's got another one down there. Tim is putting on a clinic today. Well, there you go. You saw how that turned out. You understand why we call him the Trout Man now? Do you get it? He is the Trout Man.
It's been a long time since I've caught that many in it. Well, was there, what, about 3 hours, 4 hours?
Right at it, 3 to 4, something like that.
Yeah. So I was happy.
Well, he should be happy. Catching 5 trout to my 1, using the same baits and lures.
We're really glad that the bite is coming back, because we were worried about this. And I know Anthony's talked about the Helena that came through 6 months ago.
Wasn't it?
Yeah. So, but we've been trying a lot of different things, lures, colors.
Pretty much anything to catch a trout right now. And weren't you telling me that you saw the TWRA was testing the fish populations?
Yeah, and the Watauga, and the ones they were testing, they were good trout. They were healthy trout.
So things are good. Things are happening. It's spring. The hatches are about to happen. Fly fishermen are really, mouths are watering. Can't wait to get those flies out on the river. So we've got weddings to deal with, or myself do. We've got weddings and stuff like that, trying to get that squared away. But fishing is getting better. It's spring, wonderful time of the year. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you haven't hit that subscribe button, go ahead and do that now. It's going to be a great year. We'll see you on the next one.
See ya.
Just one question. Do you have a rooster tail?
I do have a rooster tail.
Wear pants and nobody will see it.